Stefan. I'm one of the account execs here at Infraspeak. Event so far has been quite exciting. After the 2-year hiatus that we've had, it's really nice and great to be back together, to see so many new and emerging faces, and revisiting some conversations that we've had, obviously ongoing in the past. In terms of the event itself, some really interesting and exciting discussions to be had about the future of the FM industry, new and emerging technologies, what that means for the industry and what it means for the people that are involved in the industry. And I think it's something that has been quite valuable for the attendees here today.
I'm Remy. I'm the area manager of all the Southern Europe for Airthings, and Airthings is a provider of indoor air quality monitoring solution. We provide both sensors and as well a full digital environment with a powerful dashboard and very pushed access to the data. We are here today because we are starting a very strong partnership with Infraspeak. Infraspeak allows us to be by their side during all the IFM Tour in the different dates in Europe, so it has been very powerful for us, and we are grateful to meet all their partners and customers.
Hi, I'm Lisa Hamilton, Director of Marketing for SFG20. SFG20 is the industry standard for building maintenance specification. We're excited to be working with Infraspeak, who we now integrate with via an API solution, meaning SFG20 information is dynamically integrated into Infraspeak's operating system, eliminating the need for manual uploads of data. Today we'll be on stage speaking about the role of compliance within Maintenance 5.0 and the importance of optimizing your maintenance regime via a blended approach of reactive, planned, preventative, condition-based and predictive maintenance.
Hi, I'm Mohammed Ali. I am the founder and CEO of Countech. We are here to be integrated partners. So we integrate finance and operation applications to provide SMEs to streamline their business. Today we're here at the Intelligence Maintenance event. So we integrate with maintenance events to connect them with the accounting system and then provide management reporting, streamline the data, validate data between two platforms, and help them just make sense of all that integrations that they have and provide them a dashboard overview of all the apps.
I'm Mike Robinson from Penguin Facilities Management. Event's been great, lots of different interesting people, different opinions, interesting to see other people's opinions of where the industry is going, great event.
I'm Paul Gisby, Managing Director, London and South for Penguin FM and Penguin Solutions. The Infraspeak system that we've integrated into the business has been a phenomenal asset for us. It's shown that we could be flexible with them, they listen to us, it's an intelligent system that we can evolve with, and we've been, very pleased with the day today. It's gone very well, nothing unexpected, organised well, they're a great bunch of people, and thank you very much Infraspeak for our award.
My name is Stefan Cha from Columino, Australia, Sydney, Australia. Columino came up with an innovative, low-cost, but very high-quality thermal sensor. With our sensor, you can monitor activities of any heat-generating objects as humans without infringing privacy. So we are providing the sensor to infrastructure management companies for monitoring rodents, water flooding, or in cases security and surveillance purposes too. So we would like to meet the provider of maintenance services around the world, and this is our first time to present our case in the IFM conference.
Hi, I'm Trevor. I'm from InfoGrid. We offer a smart building solution using the best-in-class IoT sensors, applying our data science and AI to provide you with deep insights about how you're currently managing your building. We can offer solutions that help you cut costs, also decrease your CO2 emissions and improve efficiency. And I'm here today to speak to the industry about their challenges at large, how we may be of assistance, and how we can better collaborate as an industry to not only help the environment, but to make sure that our employees are working and operating in very healthy environments.
Hi, I'm Victoria Skaramitsa from CBRE, and I've had a really great afternoon at the Intelligence for Maintenance Tour 2022. It's great to see the future of sort of maintenance showcased on stage with these great companies, and sort of seeing that we're now in the era of Maintenance 5.0. I'm just looking forward to having conversations with my clients and adding value to what we're already doing for them.